Hey everyone, and welcome to this wheelchair yoga session. Let's start by making sure we've got plenty of space around us for the practice ahead. Closing down those eyes and starting to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. On each breath here, try and slow that breath down, making sure that on the inhale we breathe in deep, and on the exhale we breathe out long. Okay, make sure that exhale is longer than the inhale. Keep that breathing going there at your own pace. And each time you breathe out, continue in your own time. Make sure when you do breathe out that you are trying to relax through the shoulders. Make sure the face relaxes, the neck muscles, the muscles in the arms and the upper body just calms down, and you start to center yourself into this practice here. So just bring your attention into the room. We don't need to worry about what's going on in our lives around us. We just need to focus on being right here in the present. Keep that breathing going there, longer on the exhale than on the inhale. Feel that wave of relaxation come over you. Keep that going there as we start to put our hands in a prayer position. You can keep your eyes closed or you can open them up. And we're going to keep that breathing going there. And as you breathe in, try and lift up that chest. And then breathe out, relaxing it back down. Good. Now as you breathe in, lift those hands up above the head. So breathe in. Open it out. As you breathe out, bring them down and round. Back into the prayer position, breathing in, lifting up. As you breathe out, bring it round and down. Repeat through that. Try and get a good range of motion on this. Really stretch out here in this position as we come round and down, moving it through that range there. Nice, simple movements, going through the best you can. If you can't fully extend above your head, just go to where you can. So even if that's just small movements here, just going through good range of motion, however that looks for you. Keep that moving there. Okay, let's change direction on that. So start with the prayer position, coming back out. Try and get a good stretch across the chest as you bring those hands out. Up above, hands together, bring it down through the middle. And again, stretch across the chest, up through the lats, down through the front here. Getting good stretch here on the chest as we bring the arms up. Get stretched through the lats here, and as we bring it down, it shifts into the upper back. So we're getting a good stretch all the way across that upper body there. Keep this going here. Keep your breathing going too. Yeah, let's stay where you are. I'm just going to rotate to the side to show this one. So what we're going to do is, first of all here, we're going to put one hand forwards and bring it back in. Push the hand out and bring it in. What we're going to do is start to introduce the breath. So as you push out, breathe out. As you bring it in, breathe in. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Let's extend that now a little bit more. So as you breathe out and you push out, you're going to reach forwards, bring it in, and repeat through. Keep that going there. Okay, as we reach forward, still extending there. Now on the way back, what we're going to do is reach right the way up and over, and then down to our side. Bring it back into the front, going forward. Remember, breathe out as you push forward. Breathe in as you come up over. Repeat through. Good range of motion. Remembering, if you can't do the full range of motion, just go to where you can. So even if it's a small one, that is absolutely fine too. But try and get the best range you can on this movement there. Nice work, everybody. Keep it going. Okay, let's change over to the other side now. So with the other arm, we're going to press forwards and then back. Just nice simple movements to start with. And then we can link the breathing in. Nice, simple to start with on this one before we start to extend. What we do now, reaching forwards, bringing it back. Keep the breathing going, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Reach forwards the best you can, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Good work. As you bring that arm forwards, try and get a bit of a stretch at the front. And we're going to bring that hand up and over on the next one. So reaching it right the way forwards, up and over, down and back. Good. Reaching forwards, stretch that arm forwards, up and over. Good range of motion. I'm a little bit close there, so I'm going to move him a little bit out of the way. Reaching forwards, up and over, down and back. That's better. Start to bring that breathing back again, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and this time as you breathe in, we're going to lift the shoulders up, round and back, and as you breathe out, you're going to bring them down. So bring in, breathing out. And as you breathe in and bring those shoulders up, I really want you to squeeze them, like feel like you're really squeezing the muscles. So bring it up, and then bring it down. Fully relax on the way down. Breathing in, breathing out. And again, repeat through that. Give that a little bit of a wiggle. Nice work. And we just return back to the breathing nice and normally. So in through the nose, out through the mouth, And try and do that relaxation again like we did in the beginning. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Out through the mouth, remember extending as long as we can with this. Trying to relax the whole body down, relax through the shoulders, relax in the face. You can start to relax that breathing down as well. As we start to round it out now to our last couple of breaths, coming into a nice finish there. Let's just put our hands together. Be grateful for being here in this session today with the ability to go through these movements. Congratulate yourself for being here, and well done everybody. Thank you very much for joining me today with this yoga session. I'll see you in another one. If you're a wheelchair user looking to up your fitness game this year, then head on over to the Adapt to Perform website. Once a member, you'll have access to hundreds of workouts combined into great programs that will teach you what to do every step of the way, leaving all the guesswork out of your fitness journey. This is Wheelchair Fitness, made by a wheelchair user for wheelchair users, so you can train your way. And you can get started right now with 50% off your first year, which is a huge saving and meaning you can get started right now. Head down to the link in the description and use our discount code to get started. I'll see you there.